Hello everyone, welcome back to BPO interview tutorials, and today we will learn one more MS Excel function and trick that will help you in preparing reports and dashboard more easily. Before moving to the video, I would request everyone to share, subscribe the channel, click on bell icon so that you will get notification on all the upcoming videos. Don't miss to check our playlist. You will find 200 plus videos that will help you in cracking the interviews on trainers, team leader, operation manager, operation team lead, quality analyst, quality team leader, training manager, MS Excel dashboard, reports, and many more videos guys. Six Sigma certification also included there. You can check and just let's learn and just crack your interview guys. So today concept here is highlighter in MS Excel. What is this highlighter? We'll give an example. You can see here. Let me type here Anil. You can see automatically the Anil name is getting highlighted. If I type Vijay, okay, Vijay training active. See, you can see here only this name is getting highlighted. How this tracker is prepared, okay? So we will learn this today. So first you have to choose all the data. Don't include the titles, okay? Go to conditional formatting, go to manage rules and delete all the rules, okay? Whatever we have created, let me delete it so that I can explain you in more better way. Okay, let me add this worksheet, new rule. Go to last, use formula determine less. Now here equal to first name. In the first name we have $30. Remove dollar before this row and cell and column and row, so it will be $F30 directly. If this is equal to the given name, then what will be the format? The format will comes like we can go with numbers first. So first we'll give the color here. Let me give the color as red, okay, and now let me go to border, or it might be fill. Here I will choose one color that is something like this, okay, and let me again go to format, number, font, we'll choose bold, and let me choose a different color, red color, dark, okay, apply. Okay, now this is done. Let me drag this formula to the all, or not required. Now let me choose some name, AMAN. If I choose someone, automatically the data from Aman everything got in color. If I have two names, for an example, you can see we have two names, Anil. Two name got selected. In this way you can highlight the content. It's quite easy. Only you have to take care of the things is select all the rows excluding title. Go to manage roles and use here as this worksheet, and this is the formula. Nothing we have done, just we have chosen the last option, equal to F30, which is your Priyanka, which is first name, equal to the name which you are searching, and then I have added some color coding and font so that it looks some more beautiful. So this is all about the highlighter in MS Excel. Still have any doubt, let me know guys, I'll clarify. Don't miss to share and subscribe the channel. Have a great day.